Assalamu alaikum students. This is Pakistan International School and this is your computer class lecture number 3. In our last class, if you remember, we discussed and we created our first HTML5 page. In this class, we will discuss what are container elements and empty elements, what are HTML attributes and how to use them. First, let's see what are container elements. Elements that include both on tag and off tag are called container elements. I have already explained to you. For that is HTML, this is the start tag of HTML and this is the ending tag of HTML. Title also has a start tag and end tag. B tag is also have a start tag and end tag, but there are certain tags that do not require an end tag. Those elements that do not require an end tags or off tags, they only have the on tags. These elements are called empty elements. For example, BR, HR and IMG. We have discussed about BR, that is break line. Today I will explain to you HR, and in future video I will explain what is image tag and how to use it. Now let's discuss what are HTML attributes. Well, HTML attributes, they give some extra information about elements. For example, suppose this is a car. What are the attributes of this car? Well, attributes are thing that defines this car. For example, what is the color of this car? What is the model of this car? What is the seating capacity? What is the mileage? These are the attributes of this car. Similarly, elements in HTML, they also have attributes. Let's see how to use those attributes. Suppose this is start element and this is end element. This is how we normally write them. Now let's see how to use the attributes. Well, attribute is always mentioned in the start tag or on tag. After the name of the element, we press space, then we write the attribute, then equal, then within these double quotes we type the value for the attributes. As in previous example, we saw an example for car. For example, this is tag for car, and consider the color attribute of the car. So we write like this, and what is the value of the color? It's red. That's why we wrote red inside the double quotes. As an example, consider body element. The attributes of body element are BG color, text and background. BG color is used to change the background color of body. Text is used to change the color of the text, and background is used to apply image at the background. Now student, consider this example. This is a simple HTML code. This is start of HTML, this is end of HTML. Inside the HTML, I have already told you we have two main tags: head tag, which is a container element, and closing head tag, body and closing body. And inside the body I have used heading 1 and paragraph. First I'm going to save this. Go to file, save, and you can give any name to this file. I'm going to give attributes.html and hit the save button. So here's the file. Double click to open, and here's the result of our HTML code. Okay, first I'm going to try the HR tag that I told you I will explain. So type HR, HTML, it means it doesn't require an end tag. Okay, type HR, go to file and hit the save button. Go to your browser and click the refresh button. You see, here's the line. This line is working as a divider. It's also known as horizontal rule. HR stands for horizontal rule. Now let's try different attributes of body. The first attribute that I told you was bg color is equal to double quotes. Okay, why I'm writing this? I already told you the attributes are always written inside the opening tag or on tag. Press the save, type the name of attribute equal inside the double quotes, give value to this attribute. Suppose uh, let's say light green, or you can give any color, suppose blue. Go to file, click save, go to your browser and refresh. So here we have a blue color. You can choose color of your own choice. Let me try one more color for you. Let's say okay, indigo is another color. Go to file, save and refresh. Okay students, let's try another attribute of body. Okay, I have changed the background color. Let's see how to change the color of this text. The text color is in black. So for that I told you we will use text attribute. So right after the body where we have used the bg color, press space and type text is equal to, within the double quotes type the name of the color that you want for the text. Suppose I want text to be white, and file, save, refresh. Now see, the text is white. You can use any color of your choice. Now the last attribute that I told you about body is that attribute is background. Yes, you're right, that's background. Let's see how to apply background. Now remember one thing, if you apply background, we cannot apply bg color, because either we can apply background image or a background color. So I'm looking for image on my computer. Okay, here I have an image, my image, with the name my image. I will use this image. So I will go to my file, I will remove this code because I cannot use background color and background image at the same time. So let me type background is equal to, inside the double quotes I will write name of the image. Okay, let me move it a little bit aside. Okay, the name of the image is my image. Okay, I'm going to write my image. Then I will go to file, click the save, go to browser and refresh. Okay, I'm not getting any image. It means I have made some mistake. Let's find the error. Where is the error? Okay, here is uh, remember one thing, whenever you use images in your HTML code, always look for the extension. How you may find the extension? Go to your image, right click on the image, wait for some time and go to properties. Okay, here I have JPG. The type of file is JPG. Now close it, go to your code and right after my image type the name of the file, .jpg. Go to file, click the save button, go to your browser and refresh. You see, here we have a nice beautiful background image. Okay, so that's it for today's class. See you next class. Till then, take care. Have a nice day. Khuda Hafiz.